Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Light Food, and today I'm going to make a very simple Mexican recipe, the quesadillas. It often happens to me that whenever I go to a Mexican grill, I really get confused between the quesadillas, the fajitas and the enchiladas, and why not? Three of them are very similar. They're made out of the tortillas, they have almost same kind of vegetables and meat and almost same kind of the cheese mix. While the quesadilla is a fold of tortilla filled with cheese and vegetable and grilled meat, the fajitas are grilled vegetable and meat which are wrapped in the tortillas, whereas the enchiladas are all those tortillas covered with lots of grilled meat, vegetable and covered with sauce and cheese. It took me a while to differentiate between these Mexican recipes, and finally I figured out. So now whenever I go to a Mexican grill, I make sure I order the quesadilla because that's my favorite. So inspired from my favorite Mexican quesadilla, I'm going to make it in a very light and healthy way. You enjoy the video and we will talk more about the goodness of quesadilla after the recipe, so keep watching. So first I'm going to take 1 cup of whole wheat flour, then 1/4 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste, and half a tablespoon of cooking oil. Now add required amount of water and knead it to a soft dough, just like we do for the chapati. Once done, cover and let it to rest. Next, I'm going to cut some bell peppers for the recipe. The red and yellow bell peppers are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, fibers, folate and potassium. These colorful peppers will give the recipe a sweet, crunchy taste as well as great looks. Next, I'm going to cut half a white onion. These onions have a sour, pungent taste which goes great with the peppers and cheese. So now in a wok, I will add 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil. Next, a cup of sliced mushroom, and I will give it a quick stir. Once the mushrooms are half cooked, I will add the thick sliced onion, and on high heat I will fry them till the raw smell is gone. Next, the colored bell peppers. Without frying them much, I will sprinkle salt to taste and a lot of black pepper powder. The veggies are almost done. Now I will turn off the stove. That looks perfect and yummy. Now let's quickly make the tortillas. For that, simply make a chapati out of a portion from the dough. Now let me tell you that the only difference between chapati and tortilla is the use of vegetable shortening, which is added to the tortilla dough to make it smooth, whereas the chapati dough is a bit rougher. I will put the tortilla on a heated griddle and cook the tortilla from both the sides. Now I will take them out and prepare the quesadillas. To make a simple cheese quesadilla, take 1/4 to half cup of shredded low-fat mozzarella cheese and spread it on one side of the tortilla. Add the black pepper powder and the seasoning palm cheese. Now fold the other half of the tortilla on the cheese. Now put this on the griddle. While the cheese quesadilla is grilling, I will make the mushroom quesadilla. I'll start with cheese and then veggies. Traditionally, cheddar and Jack Monterey cheese are used, but you can use any melting cheese. Now some extra cheese stick pieces. Now fold the other half on the cheese and straight onto the griddle. Spray olive oil on the top from both the sides. While my quesadillas are grilling, I will make a quick guacamole dip. For that, I will take 1 avocado. I'll cut it, de-seed and remove the pulp in a bowl. You can also check other dip and spread recipe. The links are in the description box. Now add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped tomatoes and a handful of coriander leaves. For seasoning, pinch of table salt, pinch of black salt and black pepper powder. Finally, half a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. A final nice mix and all ready. The quesadillas are perfectly done. Now take them out on a plate. With little cheese, they look perfect. Now time for me to have a bite. This is delicious. Making the tortilla out of whole wheat flour instead of all-purpose flour or white flour is going to add proteins, fibers and other nutritive stuffs. You can add a lot of vegetables to your quesadilla to make it even more tasty and healthy. And if you are a meat lover, just go for some grilled chicken. Cheese is the key ingredient in this recipe. It's difficult to avoid cheese in quesadillas, but if you want to avoid cheese or you want to make it light, just go for low-fat mozzarella or a little bit of cheddar cheese. I'm sure you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time there is an update. For health related articles, please visit my blog at www.being-foodie.com. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.